Howzit T.O.B family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Our subject for today is a Soundcore Sport X20 Active Noise Cancelling True Wireless Earbuds. Released in July of 2024, the price on this one, 1,765 rands, which is equivalent to 29 US dollars. It comes in three colors, black, white, and green. Some of its features include a flexible ear hooks for a secure fit, advanced noise cancellation, IP68 waterproof rating, fast charging feature. You get 5 minutes, gives you 2 hours of playtime, multi-point connection, a great battery life, 12 hours single charge, and 48 hours from the case with the active noise cancelling off, and 7 hours from a single charge, and 28 hours from the case with the active noise cancelling on. You get 10 meters Bluetooth 5.3 connection and many more. These features make the Soundcore Sport X20 a great choice for anyone looking for reliable, high-performing workout earbuds. But how do they really perform? Let's find out together. Here's a little disclaimer for you. This in-depth review might be long but packed with valuable information. Feel free to skip to the chapters you need, but I'd appreciate it if you can watch it till the end to support the channel and help with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you in advance and enjoy the video. When you pop open the box, this is what you'll find: a manual and warranty book, a USB Type-C charging cable, extra ear tips from small to extra large, and the Soundcore Sport X20 case with the earbuds inside. Weighing at 6.5 grams, it comes in a rather large case with a matte finish. Now I don't know if I like the white color, but I guess others might like it. On the top is the Soundcore logo in rose gold. At the back, we have the USB Type-C charging port. In front, we have the pairing button and the indicator lights. Let us take a closer look at the earbuds. It's shaped like a regular earbud, but instead of a stem, we have a very soft and flexible ear hook to keep it in place while you work out. It does look a little bulky, but has a very simplified design. Instead of a touch control, we have a control button, 3 mics on each earbud, and very soft silicone ear tip. It's a good design. If you are a gym rat and you want comfort, this is a great choice. The ear hooks are so soft, you don't feel any pressure at all. The earbuds feel a little bulky, but they're still comfortable. The soft ear tips are a real plug to also assist in the noise cancellation. I'm impressed. As always, pairing this is easy. First, pop open the lid, go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, select Soundcore Sport X20, and you are connected. Let's look through the app. Firstly, I want to take this out of the case so I can get the whole full spectrum of everything. Yes? Alright. Now looking at the app, first of all, we have the battery percentages, so you can know how much battery power you got left for the case and for each individual earbuds. And then we go to ambient sound. On the ambient sound, we've got our noise cancellation, normal mode, and transparency mode. And on the transparency mode, we've got the adaptive and the manual mode. The usual. If you've ever used a Soundcore product, this is the same thing with the app. Nothing crazy out here. We've got a wind reduction here. That is cool. So if you're making your phone calls outside and it's windy, you still can get a good audio sound from there. Now, next thing we do is the sound effects. In sound effects, we've got 3D sound and the Hear ID option. I'm happy it's got a Hear ID sound. I love this option. Or you can go to default Soundcore signature, or you can just go to your equalizer settings and you put your own equalizer settings the way you want. But if you go to under your default, you've got other options. You've got 22 options when it comes to presets. We've got bass booster, we've got classical, we've got acoustic, bass reducer, and more. And these are the more. We've got podcast, dance, deep electronic, flat, hip hop, jazz, Latin, 22 of them. All right. So if you can go through the 22 presets and you don't see anything you like, then you can just go to your custom EQ and set it up the way you please. Let's move on from here now. Controls, we've got our controls right here. You can set it up the way you want. The difference in this and most earbuds is this: with this one, we are pressing the button right here for controls and not a touch control. We're not touching to move to work this. We have to press the button right here. That's cool. Buttons are usually more accurate. Anyways, you set the sound the way you want it to be and you keep it moving. Looking at the app, all I can say is I think the important things are in here. It is not broad, does not got a lot of things that shouldn't be here and all that stuff. Everything that's important that should be in here. I still think there's a bit of room for improvement, but we've got the basic things. All right, so I'm gonna just play some music right now, see what it sounds like, and if I do not like it, you will definitely hear from me. If I like it, you're definitely still gonna hear from me too. So let's keep it moving. If you like the video so far, please click on the like button to support this channel with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks. Right. After listening to this for a while, this is what I think. I think the sound from this thing is awesome. Now, this is a sporting earbuds, right? It's built to, for sports. So that means a lot of things that are in here will be catered to working out or cycling or whatever you do. Now, you want your music to be bass heavy. It kind of energizes you when you are working out. Listen to bass heavy music. This is bass heavy. The mids and the highs on this, very, very good, very balanced. So it is crisp as hell. So very good sound overall. So whether you get this for working out or maybe just chilling or whatever, very, very good sound. I like it. I'll give it a good 8 out of 10. All right. Let's talk about pros and cons of this earbuds. We're starting with the pros. First one, I would say the noise cancellation. The noise cancellation on this is incredible. It completely, I mean completely blocks out sound. If you're the kind of person who, if you're conscious of your environment and maybe just want noise cancelling with just a little bit and all that stuff, yeah, you've got options. You can put it on the transparent mode so that you can, hear what's happening around you while it brings down the noise a bit. But if you're the kind of person that wants total isolation when you're doing whatever you do, this is it. It completely blocks out sound. I love the noise cancellation on this. Very, very good. I like it. Next pro is comfort and fit of this thing. This is very, very comfortable. And when you put it on, it's not trying to get into your head. When I mean get into your head, I mean you don't feel like it's going down into your brain or something. It is just comfortable. It just fits, very fitting. And now with the hook that comes with the earbuds these days, this is mega soft. You see how that, you see that? That is mega soft. So when you have this around your earlobes, you don't feel it like it's pinching or anything or like it's hard behind your earlobes. No, it is very, very comfortable. Now, for the last pro that we're going to talk about in this video, we're going to talk about the call quality of this. I'm telling you, very good for what it's built for. It is very clear. In fact, here's what it sounds like. Howzit T.O.B family, this is a mic test of the Soundcore Sport X20 and this is what you sound like when you are on the phone. For what it's designed for, I think it sounds great. What do you think? Comment section, let me know right now. Right, so what do you think? Comment section, I want to know what you think. Let's talk about the cons to this, and the first con we're going to discuss is the fit. Yeah, I know it was a positive just now, it's now become a negative. Now the fit exactly is the fact that when you put this on, it does feel a little bit bulky. When you put it on, most people want to be, when you are exercising, you want to put on earbuds that, you know, are not so bulky in your ears. You don't want to be so self-conscious of it, especially since you're doing you're working out activities and stuff. You don't want to, you know, feel like there's just this thing that's just standing out in your head. So yeah, it's a little bit bulky. Did not bother me, but I can see how it can be a problem to other people. So now for our last con of the video, the placement of the control button. Look at that right there. See that? Now the touch control, as you can see, it is very, very close to the edge where the hook meets the earbuds. It is too close to that, to the corner. Now, if you've got big fingers, you'd have a problem accessing the button over there because it's way too much in the edge. You should have brought it out just a little bit more so that people can have ease of access, but it's way too much in the edge right there. So that's the last con we're going to talk about in this video. Now, if you use this or you're using this right now and the other cons you know about, leave it in the comment section and let us get your opinion. So let us summarize. For the price of 1,765 Rand, which is equivalent to 95 US dollars, would I buy this? Hell yeah, I'll definitely buy this. For the sound quality alone, it is very, very good. For what it's built for, it is very, very good. And you cannot, I don't think you can just buy this because you're working out. I think you can just buy this just to enjoy listening to music or watching videos or whatever. You can get this too if that's what you want. But for what it's built for, it is amazing. Very, very good noise cancellation. I cannot say enough about that. The noise cancellation on this is amazing. So yeah, I think it's worth the price. I think it's a good choice. If you can afford it, get it. Great choice.